Let's dive into some real-life examples of how the battery energy storage system, or the BESS, has solved operational hurdles and offered practical solutions. Contractors in Singapore often face insufficient power supply and long waiting time of up to 9 months to get the power lines from the power grid installed, which is why diesel generators are often chosen to power the tower cranes that have high starting current. The starting load of a tower crane typically determines the size of the diesel generator needed. However, the power required to run the rest of the operations is usually 10 times lower, hence wasteful energy consumption. At this HDB construction site operating two 50-ton tower cranes, grid power supply was not available. Each tower crane was powered by a 600 kVA generator. We then implemented a hybrid solution, BESS, with a 400 kVA generator for the two 50-ton tower cranes. As a result, the number of generators is reduced from 2 to 1, and the size from 600 kVA to 400 kVA. In addition, fuel consumption has been reduced by 68%, achieving long-term fuel savings of more than $100,000 annually. Noise levels also dropped significantly, which benefited the workers and nearby community. This led to a less polluted environment, with an annual carbon reduction of 200,000 kilograms, equivalent of taking 189 cars off-road. Additionally, the BESS also ensures prompt and efficient power delivery by employing a seamless plug-and-play system. This ensures that there is power on the very day it is installed. The BESS is approximately 30 times quieter compared to a diesel generator and does not emit any harmful gases as it runs on batteries. Hence it is the ideal choice for residential areas.